What if I told you that in just 48 hours, I went from knowing absolutely nothing about trading to making my first profitable trade? You wouldn't believe what I actually made on my first trade. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to break down exactly how I did it step by step so you can do that very same thing. Let's get right into it. All right, y'all. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but I'm going to break it down really simply for you to follow. And I'm so excited you're here. So make sure you're taking notes, okay? So the first thing that I did was get informed, right? Getting information on the basics of trading. So I had to figure out what was options and how did the market move, right? And the terminology, right? The key terms like calls, puts, resistance, support, those kind of things. I know it might sound a little bit confusing right now, but it's simpler than it sounds. I guarantee that it's going to get better as you go. So guys, that's what I did the very first thing. I learned all the terms and got familiar with everything to make sure that I knew what was happening in the market. Okay, let's go on to the second thing that I did. So the second thing that I did to make my first profitable trade in 48 hours is that I went to where you are right now, YouTube University, right? You know, when we're looking for something, we go and search it out. So I was able to find my mentor on YouTube University, and I was able to learn a awesome strategy that I further developed and refined as a teacher. And I was able to use that strategy to help me make my first profitable trade. And in my Discord group that's in the link below, I teach my mentees that simple strategy that has made it very easy for me as a trader, especially as a beginning trader, and for my mentees. So if you're interested in what that strategy is, how does it work, what does it look like, check out the description box below. All right, now we're on to the third thing that I did. The third thing that I did was I finally went live, right? So I was familiar with the terminologies, right? I knew what I was supposed to be doing when it comes to the market. I found my mentor, I got my strategy, and I was able to go live and take my first trade. Are y'all ready to see what I made on my very first trade? Trading options, right? Y'all ready? Here it is. Okay. And like this wasn't the profit was cool. You know, that's let me not shy off of what it was. It was great, right? But that wasn't the win. Let me tell you what the win was. The win was the earning potential. For me, something clicked in my head, right? Let me tell you where I was in my life at that moment. I am a wife, a husband, a mom, a teacher at an elementary school level. And if y'all teachers out there, what's up? We in the trenches together, right? I know where you're at. And you know that I was not making a lot of money. So to see that kind of profit, y'all, in one trade, what did it do to my brain? It unlocked potential. It showed me that, hey, I have tapped into a skill that one, I can do anywhere from the comfort of a laptop. I can do this in my pajamas. I can do this forever. And the amount of money I can earn goes higher with the more learning I did. Because right now, remember when I made that first profit, I was a beginner. I was new. So imagine where I am now. Imagine where you're going to be when you start learning how to trade and grow and get skills and get strategies and plans and rules, and just being around individuals like myself and my mentees that are doing their thing when it comes to the market. Your earning is untapped. Like, it's literally infinite. So that's what happened on that day. I was like, oh, they done messed up now. Your girl done found something. Right? Because at the end of the day, like, y'all, if y'all know me as Tanisha T and you're here, I'm so glad you're here. Abundance is a big thing for me and my people. Like, I want abundance, and you should want that for yourself too. So when I tapped into this thing that cost me little to nothing to get started in regard to the information, I just said, this is it. This is it for me. This is for my community. This is for the individuals that been doing right all their life and haven't yet to tap into the abundance that they know they deserve. This is for me. And you should see that for yourself right now. I know you're on here looking for something to make ends meet, right? Get to the next level, go on that trip, start setting up your retirement, start setting up your kids' future. Like, literally, options trading is that thing. But all you need is two things. Let me tell you the two things you need really quickly. You need a simple strategy. You need a mentor. Like, literally, what a mentor does, this mentor collapses time for you. right? Takes you from where you are to where you want to be, and it limits the amount of time and money you waste, right? Because time is the only non-renewable resource that we don't have. So guys, listen, if you are serious, I'm talking to the serious people right now. Whoever is still on, that's you. I'm just going to tell you where you are. That's you. Just go ahead down to the description box and click on the free Discord. The information there, the resources, the community is outstanding. And I know you're going to get what you are looking for. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? You obviously like it here. And I'm going to have more videos like this to help you on your journey to what? Abundance, because you deserve it. All right, guys. So I look forward to seeing you next time. And make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video, please. And thank you. Have a blessed rest of the day.